Sunday, so I'm expecting it to be busy. Did get my first order just now. This is for IHOP. $14 going 7.5 miles. What are the odds that this is sitting there waiting for me? Probably very low. Gotcha. I mean, it was ready. She just had to bag it. And that's what took the longest. I don't know why it took so long to bag it, but we got it. Top of the stairwell by the fence. Okay. Yep, of course it's upstairs. It's always upstairs, isn't it? Next order, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $10 and some change, going 6 miles, 2 items. Just got an order. This one's going to be for Donut Nook. $10 going 4.5 miles. Hello. Got a pickup for Christina.
There you go.
Thank you. Next order up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Krispy Kreme and Black Rock Coffee. $13 going 6 miles. Hello.
It's Lori, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, and our coffee is just down the road a little bit. Hopefully it's ready. Looks like it's got 3 drinks on it. Hello, for Justin.
Justin, you said?
Yeah.
Right there, Brian.
Thank you.
Yeah, drive safe.
Next up, we've got a stacked Starbucks. This is going to be $8 going 5 miles.
We just moved deliveries to the back, so if you come in, just come ask us from now on.
Okay.
You won't have the easy grab and go.
Gotcha. Well, that's really annoying. Gonna make these orders take so much longer, especially when they're busy. Trying to get their attention. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Ooh, need a pin for this one. Heading to IHOP for a $9 order going 6 miles.
Order for Justin?
Okay, this one was very much not worth it. That wait was crazy. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 going 3 miles, 9 items. I think there were a couple repeats in there, so it shouldn't be as bad as it sounds. next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one's $11 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Are you cleaning up for page?
Yes.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
You too. Please don't knock or ring bell. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. You know, I thought today was going to be a lot busier, at least in terms of alcohol orders, but I guess not. So I'm probably going to be calling it here. Current time is 11 o'clock. Current total is 77, and I have one Uber tip that I'm waiting on. So that should bring it up to about 85. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.